Hello, what's up, my people? Welcome to ICO reviews, and this time I'm going to review Datafund. Datafund focus on data. It says Datafund protocol guides personal data, provides safe storage, and enable ethical data exchange. Individuals create their own data fund to reclaim, own, and manage their data. In this, every person is taking their data back. They have control over their own data. Unlike many big companies like Facebook, Google, and others, they don't get our data. They use it for their own advantage and they make millions and millions of dollars with we getting nothing back in return. And imagine when every individual gets rewarded for sharing their data and they have control over their data. Personal data on demand, individual can set permissions down to a key value pair. ARD semantically rich data set on demand with user consent and granular permission, developer friendly, easy to integrate, modular design, and upgradable. Fair data, respecting human rights and privacy while enabling fair value distribution according to the data as labor paradigm. New revenue streams for developer. App generated data can be automatically sold back to an individual data fund. Forget advertising, enter Web 3 under informations you can find. Now, what are data funds? Data funds are a new form of personal data oracle that can form or connect to data markets. Organizations, beta users are incentivized to give data back to individuals and to participate in a fair and ethical exchange of data value. Contributors to a specific data fund are rewarded with intrinsic tokens of a receiving data fund. The protocol data fund protocol guides personal data, provides safe storage, and enable ethical data exchange. Individuals create their own data fund to reclaim, own, and manage their data. So this is the roadmap. You can find the roadmap here. What they plan to do. These are partners and supporters. Deloitte, Valicon, Gray, Columbus, Dow Stack, Sofito, Swam, Petro, BT, Etarix, and the rest. Now the team member, Michael Modic, co-founder and CEO, and Zenel Betajelj, co-founder and chief strategic, co-founder protocol, Gregor Zavtsar. Victor Tron is a co-founder too and in charge of protocol. The founders is the four founders confirmed here, and the team members are here. Community lead Gaspar Zupan. You can find them one after another. This is a whole bunch of community of people, and they are the right source. You can find them Matan Feed, on Jody Balina, Simon Belek, and from Origin Trail, Andrzej Mozevic, Nova Claw, Token Flow, Torten Kremsa, and Edge Novak from Nova Claw. And you can get whitelisted now so that when the ICO opens, you'll be able to get involved with this ICO. But let's look at the Telegram. Let's see how many community of people we have now. 6,949. You can't imagine. They've just the ICO is not even started yet. You can see how many persons are already in the Telegram. It shows the community is huge. Community is big. It's big. Twitter, they have 6,097 followers already. They are going big. Let's check the Alenza ranking. So as a boot, let me go to who is got the Datafund.io. You can see the information here. Registered February 2018 and expired February 2019. Information on there is Let's see the other ranking. One visitor from India, then from Egypt, from Morocco, from Pakistan, from Bangladesh. So like most people from Arab world and Asia are really involved with this. I see more visitors from those countries. So you may ask about the white paper. The white paper will be uploaded very soon on the website. For now, it's not available. So what is my thought about Datafund? Well, they have something unique to present. People are worried about their data and they need to get rewarded for the data they share and information they share with others. So this is a good project, it's a unique project, and you can imagine the number of team members they have. I mean, apart from the founders, four founders, the team here. I mean, you can also think about the number of advisors that they have. I mean, is huge, is huge. So I believe that if they keep to their promise, this project will be a huge one. It's going to be a huge project. But of course, do not forget anything I say in this review is strictly of my own personal opinion. This is not a financial advice. So I'm going to leave the link down below and you can sign up for this ICO, get whitelisted, and once the ICO is open you can sign up for this ICO. It's your own decision. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for taking your time to watch this review. Please, before you go, subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification bell, so when I bring new videos you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you guys. I love you a million times. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.